I made a ding-a-ling. Chuck Berry, eat your heart out. Hey YouTube, I'm actually starting this video over. I got partway through the project and decided, you know, I was just making a bigger mess than I needed to. So, what are we doing today? I want to make a new dinner bell. Anyway, what we're going to be using, my favorite material ever, 3/4 inch sucker rod. Yeah, it's hard. It rings nice. It's not easy to work, but yeah, we're gonna build this one. I want to build it a little nicer than the last one. This may take a couple of nights, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. So if I can drag it out long enough. But what we're gonna do, we're just gonna focus on the bell part. So the triangle part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and come up, put a little eye in the top, come back down and then around. And then we will build maybe not tonight, but I need to build a little clanger bit. And then we're going to build a bracket to mount it to a wall. So, let's get started. So for something that qualifies as a stroke of brilliance and probably painfully and brutally obvious to everybody else, I'm going to use my, I got 2 Hardy tools that I use all the time, a little hot cut and then this bending fork crude thing, and they fit my hay button, but they don't fit my Trenton. So we're just going to mount them. We're going to use them in the bench vise here. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat and cut off about 48 inches of the sucker rod. So we're going to hot cut that. I could saw cut it, but I'd have to go dig the saw back out, so hot cut it is. Dress up this end. Okay, all right. The way I figure this is I want to mark this. Whoops. Let's see, this thing's about 48, so 16 is a third. Not sure where to do it. I don't know, I got a gut feeling. Let's go with 17 inches. Cover your ears. Get it in the right spot? Yep, perfect. All we're after is we're going to turn this on itself. Just like, sorry, just shaking you around. All right, that's what we're after. Put that back in the fire. Okay, let's see. This one. Oh. Here we go. so now what I got to figure is, see this short leg, I got to come back off this, find some place in this leg here to bend it back to meet, or just come past or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna take an educated guess. I mean, I don't have any of this planned out, so let's call it right about there. Throw a mark in it so that I can find it. Okay. Where is it? Where's my mark? Don't even know. Screw it. That looks way off. How about this direction? That direction looks off. That's pretty close. That angle's off. So it's got to be this one that's throwing me all off. There it is. I wish these had kind of come in a little closer to each other, but you know, I didn't calculate this. We just laid it out on the table. Ooh, that's still hot. Anyway, yeah, we just did it by the seat of our pants. I didn't have anything pre-calculated. This could easily be done. This top shape here could be done really easy with some jigs. I've actually made a set of hairpin legs out of the 3/4 inch sucker rod in the past. I think there may actually be a video on it. I don't remember. It would have been 3 or 4 years ago. And I made a jig, a little fixture for making a shape very similar to this. And yeah, so not tea bag. So tomorrow we'll move forward on this. Yeah, you know the rules. Like, subscribe, the bell, the kissing, the hugging, the comments, that's it. And till next time, bye. When I was just a little boy, my grandma gave me a cute little toy. Silver bells on a string. She told me it was my ding. God. I should have stayed in school.